Alam mo ba na ang SLEX Toll Road 4 or TR4 ay isang malaking government project na pagdudugtungin ang mga lalawigan ng Laguna, Batangas at Quezon. Meron itong 7 interchanges or exit na matatagpuan sa Santo Tomas, Macban, San Pablo, Chaong, Candelaria, Sariaya at Lucena. Inaasahang iikli ang travel time mula Metro Manila papuntang Laguna, Batangas at Quezon. Ang biyahe mula Santo Tomas, Batangas hanggang Lucena City, Quezon ay magiging 1 oras na lamang versus the current travel time na 3 hours. Making it an ideal location para sa mga residential at commercial properties. At dahil malapit nang matapos ang project na ito, inaasahang tataas ang halaga ng mga properties sa Laguna, Batangas at Quezon. Maaaring ito na ang sign mo para mag-invest ng maaga at makita ang paglaki ng value ng iyong investment. Here at Linville Land Development Corporation, we have a variety of existing and upcoming projects sa Laguna at Batangas. In fact, sa kasalukuyan ay meron kaming 2 upcoming projects in San Pablo City. One is Linville Heights San Pablo in Barangay San Rafael, San Pablo City, which is 5 minutes away from the San Pablo exit. And the other is Linville Home San Antonio in Barangay San Antonio, San Pablo City, which is 5 minutes away from the Chaong exit. These projects have strategic locations that provide easy access to SLEX TR4 and therefore convenience for our future homeowners. Our commitment to quality materials, workmanship, and amazing locations means that we are offering you a golden investment opportunity. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity. Ang pangarap mo noon, kaya mo na ngayon. For more information about the SLEX TR4, visit www.dpwh.gov.ph.